Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for January 2020. Sorry, it's still hard for me to say 2020. This box is $10 a month. In here we should have 5 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup sort of deals, plus a beauty bonus. And you used to get beauty insider points, which you don't get anymore. And I'm wondering, since Sephora is changing their rewards program, if that's something to do with why we're not getting the points in here anymore. There's other videos that I've watched about their reward system changing. So maybe that's why they took these out, in anticipation for that. So yeah, this box is probably my least favorite box I get. It is the box where I find the least amount of cruelty-free items. It is almost always like the lowest value as far as things go, and I just don't really enjoy this box that much, so I'm kind of on the edge of canceling. Let me know if you guys want me to keep opening this box. I will, but in general I don't love this box, so this might be the last month. I know I've said that a million times about this box, and then I get a great box. What was it, November? Or maybe December. I had a really good box. I had like a box that everything was cruelty-free. I loved everything. That doesn't happen very often with this box, so I'm curious to see what's in here, to see if it can keep me subscribed or not. So yeah, like I said before about cruelty-free, my channel, I only use cruelty-free items, so I like to get these boxes to see whether you can get cruelty-free items in beauty boxes that don't claim to be cruelty-free. So anything I don't use, I always throw in a giveaway. I hand to a friend. Like, it's not just going in the trash. I'm not being wasteful about it. I realize that my choices are not everybody's choices, so no shame to people who use products that test on animals. Like, that's their choice. You know, I make my choice. So guys, I went on that tangent just to let you know, if while I'm filming I don't know if something is cruelty-free, I put that in the description box down below, as well as researching the sample values, breaking that down, and finding out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you're always clicking the description box open so you can see that. Alright, let's just go ahead and open her up. Handy dandy tweezers, since I never seem to have a box cutter or a knife or anything present. So when you open it up, it's going to look just like this. This card right here, oh, they changed it. It's smaller, so that's nice. Less wasteful. It's going to have everything we're getting in our box, as well as the theme, which seems to be stress-busting beauty chart. So it seems to have to do with your astrological sign. I am a Pisces. So it says, like the ocean, you are deep, and all those feels make you intuitive and sensitive. When you need an emotional break, indulge your wild imagination with a fantasy makeup tutorial. Don't forget setting spray. Wow, I'm so motivated. Okay, sorry, that was just a little funny to me. Okay, so here's everything in here. I'm gonna put this down so somebody doesn't chew on it. Somebody enjoys cardboard boxes. Yep, this one right here. I love boxes. Okay. Alright, okay. So let's just go ahead and pull out the beauty bonus first, which should be this perfume sample from Viktor&Rolf. I feel like I've gotten this before. I can't remember if it's cruelty-free or not. I guess I can spray it, and if not, just give it to somebody who can use it just to see what it smells like. Actually, I don't need to smell it, or need to spray it. It smells really clean. So yeah, this is the Viktor&Rolf Magic Sage Spell. It smells kind of nice, so hopefully it is cruelty-free so I can give it a spritz on my body. But these little things, I know I've said it before, when they have little like sprays like this, I always save these for when I travel, so that way if I'm just taking a carry-on, I can pack perfume and not have to worry about like customs, or not customs, but TSA saying like I have too much liquid. So I always save little samples for that. Alright, so let's see, the next thing I'm going to pull out is, this is from Kat Von D. This is the Tattoo Liner, which I've gotten a million of these. It's probably in Trooper Black. Yes, it's in Trooper Black. I'm not sure if you guys heard Kat Von D like sold her makeup company to, I can't remember the brand, but she's like not involved in it anymore. So curious to see what's going to happen with that. It is cruelty-free. I like this eyeliner. It's a good eyeliner. It's not like the felt tip. It's got like a brush tip, which is sort of a little bit different. I'll go ahead and, there it is. So it's a good eyeliner. So I'm not here to talk about like Kat Von D as a person. I don't care for her as a person, but I do like this eyeliner. So there's that. That's not for you, sir. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, I feel like I get this so much. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I just got a sample of this, and maybe it was from Birchbox. I don't know, but I literally have this sitting on my vanity because I'm trying to like go through all my samples, and so I got another one. This one's just gonna have to go into a giveaway. For some reason, these little samples of primer like take me forever to go through. I don't know what it is. Like you think, oh, that's not that much. I can get through that, and it takes forever. So Smashbox is cruelty free, so that's good. But this is just gonna have to go in a giveaway. I have already one of these, so I'm just gonna pass it along to somebody who can use it right now. All right. Oh my god, I've gotten this a million times from them too. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and mine is in Warm Golden Blonde. I have another one of these sitting here that I have to throw into a giveaway. Again, Warm Golden Blonde. So that's the thing that's, I mean, it's not their fault. I have blonde hair, but I am not blonde. Like my eyebrows are brown. I guess like natural blondes, sometimes they have brown eyebrows too, I feel like. I don't know. But anyway, so now I have another one of these. I don't know why this is sitting on my vanity. I have not used it. I must have found it when I was just going through boxes and dividing up things that I was going to throw into giveaway or give to a friend, and things that I was actually going to keep. So this will just go into a giveaway. I'll throw the other one in there too, since now I have them both there. I'm not sure if I said benefits, not cruelty free. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out, again, not cruelty free. This is the Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. It's just like a mud mask, which I probably wouldn't use anyway. I don't typically use like mud or clay sort of products on my face because they're drying and I have dry skin. So this one I wouldn't have kept regardless, but it's not cruelty free, so I'm definitely not keeping it. This will just go into a giveaway or to a friend. Let me see if it has a safety seal. Safety seal on there, so I'll probably just go and throw that into a giveaway. Alright. Alright, one last thing. Let's hope that it's cruelty free, because right now the only thing I know for sure is the Smashbox and the Kat Von D. Alright, this is from Waso, or this is from Shiseido, which is not cruelty free. This is the Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. And there it is, just like the tiny little pot. Ew. It smells like hairspray. Like really alcohol based maybe? I don't know. Which I guess would, I don't know. It smells like really alcohol strong. So not going to use that, not cruelty free. And I hated this box. So, I mean, I have the Benefit thing I've gotten before, the Kat Von D I've gotten before in this box, the Glamglow thing I've gotten in this box, and the Smashbox things I've already gotten in this box. So 4 out of the 6 I've already received in this box. This Waso thing is the only new thing, not cruelty free. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you guys get this box, and do you get a lot of repeats? I feel like this is the only box where I get so many repeats. Like constantly. This Smashbox thing I think I've gotten at least 2 other times. That Benefit thing, I know I've gotten 2 other times. So, I don't know. I'd love to know your thoughts. Is this worth 10 bucks? I mean, it's probably worth 10 bucks, but maybe because I've been getting it so long that I've just cycled through everything that they have to offer for this box. But I'm not impressed, and I think I just might go ahead and cancel. So let me know what you think. If you want to keep seeing this box, I can still unbox it for you guys. I don't mind. But as far as like me loving this box, no, I don't love this box. I think it's my least favorite box. So anyways, that's all I have for today's video. Sorry to be kind of a downer in the end, but I just want to give you my real opinion of this box. It was a good box for a while, and then I just start getting the same stuff, so it's kind of disappointing in that regard. But yeah, that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.